Good afternoon, students. This is a warm welcome of the online classes. Now you know that from 21st we are starting the online exam formative assessment first. Okay. Now first we revise the alphabetical orders. Lesson number 1 from the grammar. Now see here, exercise number 1. Now what that question said कि below are 6 sets of letters are there. There are 4 of them are in alphabetical order and the others are not. Write the one which are the alphabetical orders. Now in that questions which are in the alphabetical orders you write, and then which are not you write down cross. Now see here. Now you say the alphabets. See there are the alphabets from A to Z. Okay. Now first is there D. Now D, G, J, yes. Now you tick that. D, G, J, N, R, T and Y. Now see, these alphabets are going one by one. Okay. Now going that arrange it alphabetically. First D comes, then G comes, then J, then N, R and Y. This is right. These letters are arranged in the alphabetical order. Okay. Now the question second one. Now you also correct that. Just draw the circle. C, then F. Now circle it. F, then P. Where is P? C here. Arrange. Then L. Where is L? Here are L. Okay. Now see that C, F, then P, then after P, L, then come backward. है ना, आगे जाते जाते वो पीछे आ गया है. Now this is are not the correct manner, correct alphabets, and this is the cross. This question number 2 is not arranged properly. Okay. Question number 3 is, now see here H. You write it there. H. Where is the H? Now you tick H. Then M. See, one by one comes. N. C. U. Okay. Then O. Where is O? Then we comes backward. है ना? Now you run, then run forward and then comes to the backward. आगे जाते जाते हम फिर से पीछे turn हो गए, and that is the incorrect way. Okay. Now see question number 4. Now first I erase this one. See question number 4. F. Where is F? Underline that word. F. K. Yes. O. Okay. S. U. W and Z. Okay. Now these alphabets continue that. First letter is F. Then after F, K. Then O. Then S. Then U, and then W, and then Z. Okay. These alphabets arranged in a proper way. Okay. Now see here question number 5. First is B. Underline, circle it. B. Now the next one is E. Then I. Then N, R, S, W. Okay, now these letters are also arranged in the alphabetical order. Now we see the sixth one. First comes A, then C, then E, one by one. Okay. J. Okay, is it also correct? K, Where is K? Yes, the next letter is K. Then T. Yes, and then where is R? Now see, we move backward and again we move backward, and that is wrong. Okay, now understood? Now we see the exercise number 2. Now see here exercise number 2. Put each group of words in alphabetical order. Now in that exercise I am doing 3 questions. Okay, lion, tiger, deer, giraffe, zebra, camel. Now here also you see the first letter L, T, D, G, Z and C. Okay, now when we say the alphabets, how we say? A, B, C, D up to Z. Okay, now we see A. Where is A? No. B? No. C? Yes. C for camel. Now after C, D is there. D for deer. Now after D, E? No. F? G? Yes. G for giraffe. Okay. Now after G, H, I, J, K, L. Yes, L for lion. Then after L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. See, T for tiger. Then after T, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words and only one word left. Which one? This is zebra. Okay, you write down there zebra. Okay. These words are also, this question is also same. This question is also same. Okay, all questions are same. First, second question I give you. Mango, apple, pineapple, orange, lemon and banana. See the first letter M, A, P, O, L. Okay. First letter from A, apple. B, C, B. That is banana. Okay. B for banana. Then after B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. L for lemon. Okay. M, yes, M for mango also there. N, no. O, yes, orange. Okay, orange. And one word left, which was? That is pineapple. Okay, that is pineapple. Okay. Now these all questions are same. You do it and revise it. Okay. Now we see the third exercise of this lesson. Now put each group of its words in alphabetical order. Here are also same, but see the first letter is the same. All words having the same letter D, D, D and D. Now then you see the second letter O, E, U and I. Now see A, B, C, D, E. E is the first letter, depart. Then after E, F, G, H, I, yes, I, dive. J, K, L, M, N, O, duck. Okay. Now the one word is left, duck. Dumb. Sorry, dumb. Okay. Now question number 2 is zip, zero, zoo, zebra. Here is also the first letter same. Now first you see the second letter. I, E, O and E. Here is also two letters same, ZE and ZE. But first here A, B, C, D, E. Now these two letters, the second letter is E. Okay. Now first we see the third letter R and B. Which letter comes first? B. Now we write down the first letter zebra, then 0. Okay. Now we see the zoo, zip and zoo. Which letter comes after E or R? A, B, C, D, E. Okay. F, G, H, then I. Zip and then zoo. Okay. Now these are two questions are same like that. Okay. Now you do and practice it. Okay. Thank you.